Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Pro Equipment. My name is Rick. I want to introduce you guys to this 2015 Freightliner Coronado that is a glider kit, one of a kind. You cannot find a glider kit out there at all. And this one has a 12.7 Detroit 60 series motor with like 500 horsepower. Come around here, folks. Let's go inside this truck and start this bad boy up and see how it runs. Okay, now we're gonna fire up this bad boy and take it for a spin. Alright folks, let's take a look at the interior of this truck. This sweet bad boy's got a full gauge interior. It's got a 10-speed Eaton manual Fuller transmission. You got the cruise, you got your Jakes. Let's go over here. You got your double bunk sleepers. You got your side windows for both sides. You got plenty of space. You got storage on top. You got storage on the side. Storage over the driver's side. You got all kinds of closet space in this thing. You got your room for your television here. Let me show you this also. This closet where for your hanging clothes. You can hang your clothes here. More closet space. Down here, you got extra space here. And you also got your inverters and everything over here on the end on the back by the sleeper. Okay, folks, on this truck here, it has got air slide fifth wheel. It's got knee-deep in rubber, if you can tell. It's got knee-deep in brakes also. You also have a full flip fairing here with storage units on both sides. You also have 300 gallons of fuel here. So if you're in Texas, you can get the cheaper fuel and head up to California. Guys, these are glider trucks, are rare and hard to find. But we got 4 in stock right now. These trucks are ready for work today and priced to move. We also have financing for these trucks. View this truck and our entire inventory at proequipmentsales.com. I'm Rick Medeiros, and thank you for watching us.